So, like, as chatbots have become increasingly adopted across major industries like e-commerce or healthcare and finance, the need of accurate performance evaluation and meaningful insights has grown exponentially over the time, and it's still growing. So, but there are significant challenges around that. First is like ensuring response relevance. Like businesses struggle to evaluate whether chatbot responses effectively address user queries or not. Customer satisfaction measurement is a key metrics. Maintaining and accurately measuring the customer satisfaction during chatbot interactions remains a major hurdle. There is a lack of actionable insights. Like existing evaluation systems often fail to deliver actionable insights into chatbot performance and user behavior. So that is lacking still. There is limited traceability. So like current tools lack comprehensive traceability, like making it difficult to analyze how specific updates impact chatbot response. And there is like uh, understanding of a true intent behind user queries and identifying the emotional cues for better response strategies is what is missing right now, which is a major thing. So while observability and traceability tools do exist right now in the market, they often fall short of delivering like robust analytics, actionable insights, and meaningful feedback. So emerging solutions are doing that job, and we set out to bridge this gap. So because the industry still faces the serious lack of end-to-end analytic platforms tailored for chatbot success only, specific to chatbot only.
So we were brainstorming for the hackathon phase when we were deciding what problem statement we need to choose for the hackathon, and we had a completely different problem statement first. And when on the very final day of the giving the final idea to the judges, one of our clients reported one of the problems in our chatbots. And as someone who is building this maintain and maintaining these chatbots, my first intuition was to go to this third party analytics tool and check out what went wrong in this problem, what went wrong in this chatbot, and in order to identify how we can resolve it quickly. And that's when things fall apart. I wasn't able to get the solution or get the exact problem where the chatbot failed, and that provided us with a problem statement that why not we solve this problem by using AI, by leveraging AI in order to uh, build a analytics platform on top of chatbot in order to identify um, what all things can be went wrong from a particular interaction, and then how we can provide actionable insights on top of it in order to help developers as well as stakeholders to identify how their chatbot is performing overall. That's how we came up. We found out that is the problem we need to solve out for.
So speaking of roles, we all come from a different tech background, right? So Nancy is an backend expert, Sandeep is an front-end expert, and Namsuk and Ayush are AI expert, and I'm a mobile developer. So there were multiple ideologies and multiple perspectives involved, right? So which helped to become what we made and presented in the demo. And of course, there were a lot of trial and errors through which we learned a lot from it. But yeah, we had fun doing it.
So the final product that we developed is an AI-powered analytics platform designed to help both business and developers to improve their chatbots. Let's say a business rolls out a new feature or update their chatbot. Our platform analyzes the interaction to show whether their chatbot is performing better, like retaining context, responding accurately, or meeting the user's expectations. It goes beyond the surface level improvements by helping streamline their entire pipeline. For example, it identifies the gap between intent recognition, so business know exactly where to focus. It creates the personalized user personas based on the behavior and helping deliver tailored responses. and it optimizes user engagement, leading to better overall experience. Some of the key features that we developed are user intent identification. Our system automatically detects and classify user intents, allowing business to understand their customer better and craft more relevant responses. Another feature that we built was real-time monitoring dashboard. We built a centralized dashboard where business can monitor key metrics like response time, user engagement, and success rate. Another was user persona analysis. By analyzing the behavior, our platform generates a detailed user profile, enabling business to personalize interactions and foster stronger connections with their audience. Another feature that we built was end-to-end query traceability. Every user query and their corresponding response can be traced back through the system, ensuring the transparency and making it easier to audit and improve. The other things are for business, it provides clarity where to focus their efforts to improve chatbot performance and user satisfaction. For developer, it simply helps in debugging and optimizing the chatbot pipeline, making updates and iterations faster and more efficient. So by bridging these gaps, our platform ensures chatbots are smarter, more adaptive, and truly user-centric.
Like to start with key lessons and experiences that we had during our journey for the hackathon. So, first is I would say definitely collaboration. We had people coming from different backgrounds, different skill set, and different experiences that came together. We had a very good learning experience. Everyone had something to learn with others, and the other thing was building prototypes quickly. So working under strict constraints, since we had strict deadlines, so we learned how to focus on delivering MVPs, what that made us stay focused on what brings value to the end users. So that way we got to prioritize things. And other thing I would say, learning new tools and technologies, since not everyone had background with AI. So we had experience for learning different AI frameworks, APIs, and that not only expanded our technological toolkit, but it showed how important it is to stay flexible with the fast changing world of AI. And apart from all these things, I would say the biggest takeaway for the hackathon event is we built a strong relationship that were within the organization. So these connections will likely lead to more effective collaborations in future.